Oh.
Four. On the road is approximately 20 metres, which is probably about the bottom of that pink line here. Oh, that's going one day, so you guys don't own a house on Anzac Road here?